Welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this informative YouTube video, we will guide you through the process of fixing a SteelSeries headset that is not charging. We understand the frustration of having a headset that won't charge, but and that's why we have to prepare a step-by-step tutorial to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. From checking the charging cable to resetting the headset, we will cover all the possible solutions to get your SteelSeries headset back up and running. So don't let a charging problem hinder your gaming experience any longer. So watch the video and learn how to fix your SteelSeries headset today. So let's start. In solution first, we have to check charging port cable. Inspect the charging port on the headset and the charging cable for any debris or dirt that may hinder their proper connection. So after this, you have to gently clean both the charging port and cable using a soft dry cloth, ensuring a clean and secure connection. So in solution 2, we have to use a different USB cable and port. So swap the current USB cable with a different one to rule out any cable related issue and connect the headset to the different USB port. So on your PC to determine if the original port is causing the problem. If charging through the outlet, try using a different outlet to see if the issue is persist. In solution third, we have to check power supply and cable. Now we have to verify that USB port you are using can supply sufficient power to charge the headset efficiently, and then ensure that the charging cable is not damaged or frayed, as this can impede the charging process. So if using a SteelSeries Arctis Pro with a game dock, ensure that the dock is correctly connecting to the audio port on your PC, console or controller. So in solution 4, we have to reset headset via reset button. And now if using a wireless headset, disconnect any cables connected to it. For wire headset, ensure it is disconnected from your PC, controller or console. Now let the headset sit unused for 48 hours to allow the battery to drain completely. And now carefully remove the cushion on the left ear cup where the mic is located. So to access on the left ear cup where the mic is located, to access the reset button, use a paper clip or similar to press and hold the reset button for about 1 second. Then after the battery has drained, check the headset for approximately 10 minutes before attempting to power it back on. In step 5, we have to contact SteelSeries support. As a last resort, if you have exhausted all other troubleshooting options and your SteelSeries headset is still not charging, so contact the support team is a recommended course of action. Reaching out the SteelSeries support can provide you with specialized assistance with more complex issue and provide you some troubleshooting to resolve the issue efficiently and quickly. So to how to can you contact them? We will provide you the link of this support team. These are the support link site. So you have to choose whatever you're facing the problem, like keyboard, audio, mics, accessory, warranty, and return. So like this, and then also you can type your search, and then contact us. So troubleshoot of my product and supply. Then you have to select your headset. They are the call headset not charging, not running. Yeah, then as you can select them after this they will know your problem properly, so they will provide you more resolving and issue to troubleshoot this problem. They will provide you some solution with more effective way, so you can continue chat with them. That's are the process. You have to contact them. These are the simple solution you have to take in when you see your still series not charging properly. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it, and we will catch you in our next video.